Hi, it's Jennifer. Thanks for joining me today. I never ever thought I would take the time to share the information with anyone about my vacuum cleaner. However, I have a brand new vacuum cleaner. It's the Shark Ion F80, and it is so incredible. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner. It's very lightweight, has attachments, and comes apart into two pieces and makes a handheld vac. I can't believe how wonderful it is, and I want to share it with you. Not only is the Shark Ion F80 cordless, it's very lightweight and very compact. It swivels in every direction so you can easily get under tables and dressers, small, low to the ground furniture. It's great for vacuuming under the bed. It's very adjustable. I'm thrilled with the battery life. The battery lasts for a very, very long time while I'm using it. It charges in only a few hours. The vacuum comes apart into two separate pieces, so you can use the small hand vac for smaller jobs. This vacuum also works tremendously well on any hardwood surface, tile, slate, concrete. Let me show you how easily it gets underneath tables. Even bar stools are an easy cinch with this vacuum cleaner. This video isn't sponsored in any way by Shark. However, I just had to recommend this product because it's so amazing. I'm tremendously happy with it. I've never seen a vacuum or ever used a vacuum that even comes close. What's included in this package? 2 ion power pack batteries, ion power pack charger, ion power pack charging dock, 8-inch crevice tool, upholstery tool, and precision duster tool. It also comes with a 5-year limited warranty and 2-year battery warranty. I purchased my Shark Ion F80 vacuum cleaner from Kohl's department store. I would venture to say that this is the best product I've ever purchased. I think you'd be very happy if you purchased this as well. If this video was helpful and enjoyable, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.